Hello, everyone, and welcome to our presentation on EventMaster, a comprehensive event management web application. We are the event innovators, and today we will walk you through with our project. On this slide, you can see our team's logo on the top right, that is EventMasters. We aim mastering the art of celebration, and you can also see the application's dashboard over here. So, moving on to the next slide, we have the roles for our team members. Like we are four members in our team. It's me, Aditya Kumar Upadhyay. I worked as a backend developer and I was responsible for creating the APIs, integrating the MongoDB, and implementing the authentication as well. So this is our team member Rohit Buddha. He worked as the front-end developer, handling the user interface design, responsive layout, and the API integration. This is Vision Baral, our member who worked as QA tester, ensuring that all the features meet the functional requirements and identifying the bugs. Rosina Samsung also helped us in integrating the backend and the front end. So, moving on to the next slide. So, we are going to overview our web application. So, what exactly is this app? What is EventMaster? So, EventMaster is a full stack web application which we designed to help users manage events efficiently. It allows us to create, update, and view, as well as to delete the events while ensuring data security and seamless user experience because we made it totally user friendly. So, our project type is an event management application. What are the key features of our application? So the main features are user authentication, which we have based it on JWT login and sign up, and then event creation, editing, and deletion. We have a dashboard which is totally with a responsive user interface, database as well. Moving on to the next slide, we have planning. What we did as a planning, what our features were. So we managed to plan that we will do the user and authentication. We'll also perform all the CRUD operations. That is when the event management occurred. Dashboard for viewing and managing the events, and a responsive design for all the devices, including the mobile uh, format as well as the laptops and bigger screens. And then what are the challenges that we faced? So we faced a lot of challenges, honestly, because our there were totally it was a totally a big group project that we worked on. So these are the challenges which we faced. First, it was the communication. The communication between the team members, especially due to the during the remote collaboration, it was really hard for us. We also struggled with debugging and integrating the APIs for user authentication, while event management and database interaction as well. We established a reliable connection with the MongoDB, handling our schema design issues as well. We managed we couldn't manage the time efficiently due to the overlapping academic commitments and tight deadlines. It was we were six members in the group first, but we were only left with four, and then we got a problem while making our project because initially it was divided into six members, and then we had to do it all by our three or two members. So we also faced bad challenges while finalizing the application, implementing the implementation, including testing and styling inconsistencies. So we had problem with the debugging API integration issues as well. We also face significant hurdles while synchronizing the front end and back end functionalities. Moving on to the next one, what we wanted to implement in our app and what we couldn't. So we wanted to implement some features that were related to email notifications for event updates, filtering and sorting the options based on our date type and status for our events. Sorry, and multi-users collaboration features while including them the rules and permissions for event management as we couldn't do it. We wanted to integrate with the third party services like Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook for seamless scheduling. Like you can also pick the connect to the dates to the Google Google Calendar on your phones, but we couldn't do it. We wanted to integrate that. We wanted to work on advanced reporting tools to analyze the event performance and engagement, which couldn't be possible because the time constraints and our lack of experience as well. So we wanted to make a calendar view for visualizing events across the different timelines, and it was hard for us in the beginning phase. We also wanted to make the offline access uh, for the progressive web app feature for creating managing event without any active internet connection, because sometimes you lack the internet connections, but you could also work on our app if we could also add the feature of PWA. We also wanted to make the email notifications for event updates, and it was unimplemented at the end. So also these are the instructions that how we can work on our web application. So how to use EventMaster. Sign up first. We have to create an account before doing any stuff, but like we have to sign up for that. We have to create an account by providing a valid email and password. Then moving on to the next step, we will after the file is sorry after the credentials are secured and created during the sign up, we moved on to the login feature, we where we can access the application using our registered credentials. After that, we create the event, like navigate to the create event page, fill out all the event details, and we can save it. At last, we have the feature for managing events, viewing, editing, and deleting events directly from our dashboards. So now let's move to the demo. Now let us demonstrate the functionality of our website, which we have it running uh, over here. So now let us demonstrate the functionality of our site. We'll start by logging in all our valid credentials and creating the news event, showcasing how events appear on the dashboard. Oh, but the thing is that we on the last phase we had some troubles with our coding, because we couldn't connect to our MongoDB. It was connecting in the beginning, but later on when we did our final touch, we had some issues with the MongoDB, and we couldn't we couldn't even sign up. But I'll try to show how it exactly works. So first of all, we have to sign up. That is, let's try Aditya Kumar, then write mail. Yeah, Aditya, then the password, sign up. So while trying to sign up, we are facing some issues that the registration is failed. But initially, we could sign up with this, and we can't even sign up even after putting our credentials. These are the problems that we are facing at the end, but it was not like that. So this is our user interface. First of all, our dashboard, where we have our logo in front of it, then the home button, sign up and sign in button. These are how we can create our events. We can do it like uh, home event, new home event. We have made a calendar feature in our website as well, where we can just choose any calendar any date, and it will be shown in here. So in description we can write whatever we want, like, and it should create an event. But since we couldn't log in or sign up, that we couldn't see or create our event. I'm sorry so my demo didn't work properly because of some problem in our MongoDB. But I'll show you our code. This is our code where we have included all our events here, events page, home page, navigation bar, profile page, sign in pages, api.js. We have our index with a CSS as well. So now we will move on to the next one. So it's like a navigation walkthrough which I showed you. It is like a home, it's like the home overview of the application, how it looked, dashboard, list of all the events. We had the list of all the events working here where we can just see the events which were included in our database. It could just reflect it on the dashboard after we signed up. And then we had create event form for adding new events, profile view and edit user details, which we cannot right now, but it was a feature of our work. So how what is the team retrospective for our in our group? We overcome a lot of challenges, debugging server clients and communication issues. We learn and implement the GWT authentication. We also address styling inconsistencies for our responsive UI. We learned the importance of clear team communications and also effective debugging techniques for our API calls. We best practice for our development as well. It was a best practice for everyone because we were new to this and all our members tried very hard to work on this project, and we also did almost everything successfully. But I couldn't show you the demo, but it is what it is, right? I could show you how it really worked, but at the moment it doesn't. So what we did for project tracking and management to ensure the successful completion of our event master, we used an agile project management tool, that is Trello, to track our progress. This tool was instrumental in the organizing tasks, monitoring progress, and ensuring timely delivery of our project milestones. The key feature of our agile workflow was build backlog, which included a comprehensive list of features and tasks planned to the project, prioritized mainly on the dependencies and importance. There was a task board which we had for to-do list and reviewing and completing stuff for, and we had a team collaboration in our Trello, which in which we assigned specific tasks and create clear deadlines, including responsibilities, which I can show you here. This was our product backlog. It was a to-do list in progress. These are our cards, which we what we did and what we completed, and then I'll just show you one of them. So this was it. We had a checklist which we completed. This is the description of our product backlog and stuff. Thank you. Then we have the future possibilities on in our project. So I honestly admit that we had a lot of mistakes in our work because we couldn't run it at the end. But we have proposed some features that we will fix for sure in our future. That is, we'll firstly fix and implement the sign in and sign up functionalities. That is the most important part of our project because if we cannot sign up or sign in, we could not use other features as well. So it was the foundation of our project in which we cannot run. And then we had the fix we have to fix the event showing feature as well. That issues we have to fix. We also aim for the email notification for event updates and reminders that we also discussed earlier. We wanted to make we will aim to make the mobile application version for EventMaster while integrating with third party services like Google and Google Calendar and Microsoft Outlook as well. Also try to optimize the performance for larger data sets, add multiple user rules and permissions for better collaboration. So this was our project, and we thank you everyone for bearing with us. We want to thank you for your attention. EventMaster was an incredible learning experience for our team. We are happy to answer any questions about our project and our development process or the features which we implemented. Thank you so much. Have a great one.